Hi dearies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today you're gonna learn how to make this beautiful wallet purse. Let's get started. Here are the things needed for making the wallet purse. I'm going to use this particular fabric for the back side. That's the outer part that will be visible to the eyes. Then this is going to be inside. This is the inner part. Then this as well will be the inner part as well. I want it to be 2 layers inside. Okay, then here is my glue. This is a top bond. Then here is a staple pin, staple button, you can call it staple button. Then my scissors and a hard stay. I'm going to iron this hard stay on the fabric. So the first thing to do here is to take the measurements of the outer fabric first of all. So I'll use the width is going to be 9.5 inches. At the end of the day, it's going to reduce to 8.5. Okay, so I'll just measure 9.5 here. I will mark it right here. The 9.5 as well, but you can as well just mark one place, then put mark there and tear it out. Then here is my 9.5. I'll just mark it right here, then just tear. Then the full length of this purse is going to be 15. It's going to be 14 actually, so I added 1 inches to make it 15. Okay, after folding it will fall back to 14. So here is my 15. Ensure to mark it in 2 places so that the line will be very straight. So I will just cut it out. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on this fabric and get back. Yeah, there's something I missed out. Okay, the first one was 9.5, right? This other one is going to reduce a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to take this one 9 instead of 9.5 because it's going to be inside, so they don't have to be of the same size, so it can go in. 9 inches for this. The other one, the outer one, is 9.5. Then the inner one was 15, so I'm going to make this one 14.5. So I just reduce it by half an inch. So I have my 2 outer layer here. So I'm just going to iron my stay, the hard stay. I will iron it on this right now. You can see I finished ironing the stay, the hard stay on it. So all I need to do now is to add glue at the edges, the 4 edges, and press it down. I already added glue, so I'll allow it dry a little bit, then I'll just fold it down like this. Here is it. I'm done with both of them. I folded the edges down like so. Can you see that? You can see that one is bigger than the other one. This is the outer one, which is going to be the down, and this is the upper one that's going to be inside like this. You can see when you place it on top like this, you should have an excess like this. So the next thing to do now is to fold this now to give it the shape I want like this. Ensure that you fold the down part down, while the other one, the one that's going to be on top, is not going to be as long as the other one, like this. This is going to be the cover, so the one down will come up more than the one that is going to be on top. So ensure that it's straight. You just straighten it up like this, then I place this on top over it like this. Can you see that? So then I will just press it down so you can take that shape. You can as well use carton to do this, okay? So after this, I'll just place it on over it like this. Remember, the longer side is the one that's going to be down. So to place it like this, this is how it's going to be. So what I'm going to do right now is to first of all fix this hook, okay? The hook, I'm going to fix it here, which is the outer one. That's this down. This other one is going to be here, while this top is going to be here. So it's always best to fix it first before closing it up, so that everything will be inside. So I'll just trace the midpoint. Okay, I think I should do this one first. This one first. I'll trace the midpoint here. You can use your tape to get the middle, but I think this is 8.5 already, so it's going to be between here, like so. So just put mark, then use my cutter to just pierce a little hole there, like so, in 2 parts. Then I'll place it inside. You can see this stud. Just make sure it go in like this. Then I use the hook to hold it at the back side and press it down. That's it. Then in order to do this other side, I always advise that you seal here up first. So I'm just going to add my glue inside and seal it up, because if you finish adding the one here, at the time you finish sealing up, it can shift, okay? So I will just add glue and seal it to this very point and leave here. Now I forgot one thing. You know, I told you there's going to be an inner pocket, okay? So I cut one of these pieces. I went ahead to fold one side down like this so that it won't be coming out. So I will place it here. So one is going to be here, half, and the other one is going to be here, okay? So this one will be like this. On this very first line, it may not get to the line actually, just like this. Can you see that? Then I will turn it over like this, then add glue and fold it down. After that, I'll just press it down like so. You can cut off the excess if you want. So the pocket goes in down. Then I'll place the other one here. You can see, you will fold it like this to know exactly where. Then I'll turn it over add glue. You can see it. Here is the first one and here is the inner one. You can hide your money in there. Okay, so when you fold it, you have something like this. Then I'm going to place it here now and seal the top. You can see that I've added glue on each of them halfway, not completely, just to the first part where I'm going to seal up. Then I'll hold it up like this. Ensure to make sure that you place it at the right spot so that it won't shift. The glue already is dried. After applying the glue, you allow it dry a little bit. So now that it's dry, you just place it like this and check properly if it's aligned very well. Check this side, check this very side, and check the other side as well to ensure that it's lined very well before you press it down. So you make any form of adjustment before press it down. Okay, so just press it down like this. You can actually use hammer to hit it up so it can seal very well. That's when you know that everything is in line. I'll have it like this. Then the other part of it, I'll just press this part down so that I'll have a kind of a mark there. Can you see that? So it kind of imprints a mark there so that I can easily know where to add the other button. After that, I'll just use my knife, my cutter, to pierce a hole on the part like so. Thereafter, I will just pick the button up and put it right here. It goes in, then I take the other part of it to cover it up. So I'll place it, then use my hand to press it down, or you can also use anything. Now I'm using my scissors to press it down. It's going to be like this, so everything is okay. So all I need to do right now is to add some glue here. I added glue already. Now it's dried, so all I need to do now is just to push it close gradually with my hands. You keep pushing so you do not have any kind of air bubbles inside, so I'll push like this.
This is Ahviworld.
You can see it's ready. Wow, is this not lovely? You can put your phone in here, you can put your money here, you can even put it as far deep inside like so. Can you see that? Very neat inside. Okay, neat inside and outside. If you have learned something new today, kindly give us thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends. And stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.